partly sunny in Springfield, Illinois, with a temperature of 86. Once again in...
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio alarm. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by these tones to warn you of the impending hazards. Tests are normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. On days with severe weather in the area, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and watches affecting the following counties. In the KXI70 listening area, Madison, Illinois, Calhoun, Illinois, Greene, Illinois, Jersey, Illinois, and Macoupin, Illinois. If your receiver is tone activated, it should be reset after this test. This concludes the test for this week. Thank you.